What is going on, guys? It's Justin from the J Media back with another video. So today we'll be doing some LED fog light install. So the light bulbs on my wife's 2019 Honda Civic went out, so we'll be replacing them with some new LED fog lights. Alright, so this is her car we're working with. As you guys can tell, we have one fog light working, the other one over here is not working. So yeah, pretty much over time she had the fog light bulbs since OEM. These are halogen and they're out, so we're gonna go ahead and replace it with some LED ones. And big thank you to Lasfit for sending out some LED light bulbs. So these are the switchback. It's pretty cool. Basically what that means is you're able to switch it from LED bright white to a yellow, from 6000K to 3000K color. So yeah, these are LED, gonna be a lot nicer than the current halogen ones that we have. Alright, so this is everything that's included in the Lasfit box. So nice little product manual, nice little stickers in different colors, and then the actual LED bulb. So they're a lot more compact, you know, they last longer, they're a lot brighter, so you know, also takes up less electricity, less voltage. So there's two parts to it. You want to hook up this part, the ballast, hook it up to the light bulb, and then clip it back on, plug and play. So let's go ahead and show you guys how it's done. Alright, so to replace the light bulb, you want to go ahead and crouch down underneath the car. So right underneath, you guys see this plastic cover. You do have to remove part of this. There's just this little plastic clip that you have to remove. You just pry it open, and then you also do have some 10mm bolt that you have to unscrew as well. So yeah, let's go ahead and take off, I believe it's 2-3 bolts and then one plastic clip. This flap should flap open and we should be able to gain access to the bulb. Alright, so a total of 2 plastic clips as well as 3 10mm bolts come off. So this little black piece right here, you see this flapping, you can pretty much feed your hand in there, and what you want to do is just feed your hand underneath and you should be able to feel for this light bulb. So what you want to do is feed your hand in there. You want to turn lefty loosey to untighten it, and then you should be able to get the bulb out. Alright, so there you have it, bulb is out. You guys can see you go to unclip it, unclip the bulb from the adapter, and then turn it lefty loosey and just comes right out. Alright, so here's a little comparison of the halogen bulb versus the LED Lasfit bulb. So as you guys can see, the halogen bulb a lot more brittle. It also has pretty much this hard plastic case. This one is the one that is burnt out. I do notice a small little piece in there, the little spring has broken off, so that explains why. Lifespan of halogen bulbs aren't as long compared to your LED bulbs. Also the power output on these things, this one here is 12 volt 35 watt, and this one over here with the LED consumes less. So yeah, what we have to do is we just have to plug the bulb in to this guy. It's plug and play, so you just want to plug this connector in there. This other connector goes to the OEM harness. And just in case you guys are wondering what the bulb size is for the Honda Civic, 2019 Honda Civic, they should be all the same for any 10th gen Honda Civic. So that means 2017 to 2021. The bulb is a H8, H9, H11, all the same size. Alright, so we have this connected. Right now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and connect this part to the harness and then feed the bulb in, and we should be all set. Alright, so LED bulb is in. Right now let's go ahead and put all the little bolts and clips all back on. Alright, so the fog light bulb on the driver's side is all done. So from the outside you can see this is to the halogen bulb, other side has the LED bulb. So right now let's go ahead and switch it on just to compare halogen versus LED before we swap out the other side. Alright, so there we go. So that's the halogen, that's the LED. Both are yellow, but you can see this is a much brighter yellow, 3000K, and the halogens are kind of like a dull yellow. So yeah, a lot brighter. Also, this is switchbacks, which means they can change it from yellow to white. So let's show you guys how it's done. So pretty easy. All you're gonna do is go over here to your fog light switch, and what you're gonna do is just switch it off and switch it on real quick. Just off and on, and that should turn to a nice crisp bright white. So let's take a look. Yep, nice crisp white. So nice and clean. Alright, so same process for the passenger side. One thing I did realize is you don't even have to remove the 10mm bolts. Just gonna remove those two plastic clips and you should be able to fit your head right in there. So let's go ahead and knock that out. Alright, so we just got the other side, passenger side, done. Right now, let's go ahead and switch on the car. Make sure both sides work. Go ahead and turn it to the on position. And there we have it, both sides work, both driver and passenger side. So like I told you guys, we can have it white, you can also switch it to yellow. So let's go ahead and switch it. Alright, so there you have it. Super simple DIY that I would recommend to anyone. If your cars don't come with LED bulbs, it's always a great upgrade to, you know, upgrade it to your interior LED bulbs, exterior LED bulbs. So if you guys want to check out Lasfit, I'll link their Instagram. We have installed Lasfit headlight bulbs for the 2019 Civic. They have Lasfit floor mats with the LED bulbs. I also have Lasfit products on some of my other cars as well. So make sure to leave a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe if you're new to the channel. Thank you so much for watching. We'll catch you guys in the next one.